In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks and workflows with Asana Rules. By the end, you'll know how to turn repetitive clicks into automatic actions so your team can focus on meaningful work. Start by logging into your Asana account on your desktop. The desktop experience makes it easy to see all the options we'll use. Next, open the project you want to automate. It's best to pick a project where similar tasks come through repeatedly, because that's where rules create the biggest impact. Inside your project, look to the top right and choose Customize. This panel is where you control fields, layouts, and most importantly, automation. Scroll down to the Rules section and select Add Rule. Here you can either choose a recommended rule, which is a pre-built option for common scenarios, or create a custom rule tailored to your workflow. If you go custom, you'll start with a trigger. A trigger is the event that kicks off the automation. For example, you can fire a rule when a task is added to the project, when a task is moved to a different section, or when a task's completion status changes. Pick the trigger that matches the moment you want things to happen. Then define the action. The thing Asana will do automatically when that trigger occurs. Actions can include moving the task to a specific section, assigning the task to the right teammate, changing a custom field value to keep data consistent, or sending a message to Slack, email, or Microsoft Teams to notify stakeholders. Choose the action that removes manual busy work from your process. If your workspace has AI Studio, you can let AI suggest rules based on your project's workflow. This is helpful when you're not sure where to start. Simply review the suggestions and pick the ones that fit how your team operates. Once your trigger and action are configured, click Publish Rule to activate it. From that point on, Asana will handle that step automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. You can repeat the process to add more rules and cover other repetitive tasks across the same project. Finally, test your rules. Add or move a task to simulate the scenario and confirm that the right action occurs. A quick test ensures your automations behave as expected and gives your team confidence in the new setup. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.